Hello guys, welcome back to outdoor activities. And today, just gonna be showing you the view. It is beautiful and just sounds amazing. And it's kind of relaxing and calming. So guys, I will show you it. Here it is. So the sunset here. There we go. Screenshot it if you want. And what is perfect for my channel is that you might not be able to see. Oh my God, guys, there's a bird right there. Guys, I think it's injured. Oh my God. Guys, this is perfect. Oh my gosh. Look. Oh my gosh, guys. Look. This poor thing. I'm going to have to take care of it in the next video.